Welcome to the Strength Maintenance Training Battalion 9/11 Remembrance Ceremony. On that tragic morning, nearly 3,000 innocent lives were taken. Each one of those souls was a parent, a child, a friend, or a neighbor. Among the fallen were civilians simply going about their daily lives, and first responders who ran toward danger to save others. As military professionals, we must never forget that the freedoms we defend are precious and fragile. The attacks of 9/11 serve as a constant reminder of why we train, why we stand watch, and why we are always ready.
To remember that moment when we drop everything that separates us as individuals, as people, and then remember those times that we're called upon to work together, that we came together to aid those who are in need. This is something that should be a day-to-day feeling. This is something that we should share in all things that we do. But more importantly, to remember that part of your mission as the National Guard is the forefront forebearer, that you stand as a symbol to our communities, to our states, to our nation, that we will be there, we will be ready, we will answer the call, and they don't have to think twice, that we will take care of whatever's necessary and answer the needs of our citizens and our country.